Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out a beautiful 1968 Mercury Cougar. Just a very original, one family owned car. License plate light works, tail lights work.
How about our HideAways, D? You want to check our HideAways out?
Mm-hmm. HideAway headlights work. One of the neatest features on these Cougars. Awesome. And I said original. It's a low mileage car, one family owned, but it was gone through and restored in what, 2009, 2010?
2009, 2010. We have before I open this up, it runs so quiet anyway, but the engine was completely gone through. There's receipts on the engine. There's receipts on the body panels. There's receipts on the paint. There's receipts on like the vinyl top, and then definitely on the interior. I don't know about the vinyl top as well, but it's original beige car, black top, black interior. It's got 57,000 miles on the odometer. Very hard to tell if that's original or not, but just look how nice this car is.
Yeah.
And when they painted it, it might not be the flashiest color in the world, but look at the condition. When they did it back to original, and they did a beautiful job on it.
Yeah, they did. And as I understand it, the guy that had it before, his mom bought it brand new in 1968.
Okay.
And then, after she passed away, he had the car, and then he had it restored and just well kept. So it's a car that really has always meant something to the previous.
That's why they
owners.
spent all the money and did it. I just can't believe the restoration costs. When I look through 2009, 2010 for parts and engine rebuilds, it's freaking ridiculous how cheap stuff was back then.
I know.
It wasn't even that long ago.
It's crazy. Everything's gotten so damn expensive.
It did. Ruined it all. Here's your motor. Now this is a numbers matching 302 two-barrel with power steering. I'll go ahead and shut it off, but just kind of show them on top of the inner fenders and stuff how nice that is, D.
And that engine sounds really nice and quiet. Just smooth running, numbers matching 302. On Mustangs, Cougars, you always want to look at these top of the inner fenders. A lot of times you'll see boils and patches there. This is really nice, clean, and solid.
Yeah, and make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out those frame rails for yourself. We take plenty of pictures of the inner quarters, the frame rails, the floors, where the floors meet the joints. I mean, we take pictures of all those things so you guys at home know exactly what you're buying. Check that stuff out as well. When they painted this, they did a great job jamming it. You can just tell they took everything apart, painted it, put it all back together. Still supports its original bumper. We'll kind of go there. You can just tell there's a little surface rust still on that bumper.
This right here, I think it'd shine a lot better too if we did a better job wiping it down in our detail.
It would, but I'm just saying there's just a couple little spots on there.
Mm-hmm. What he's referring to is right here. HideAway headlights, obviously we showed you those. Those work. Front valance is in good shape. Got the turn signals down there.
That hood gap's fantastic on the back as well. Front to back, both sides on the back lines up just perfect with the top of the fender and the top of that cowl. And that's what you get when you get probably a 57,000 mile car. I really believe that even though it's restored, it was probably, if he would have kept it that long, it was a low mileage, well taken care of car.
Yep,
you know what I mean?
Definitely appears that way.
It wasn't something they pulled out of the Grove and meant a lot to mom.
Correct.
Corner of the doors are rust free and nice. All new rubbers and stuff when they did it. Just the door panels are absolutely stunning.
Lights in the doors work. And the seats, I was really impressed with the condition of the interior as a whole, but the seats too.
Just the padding in them even.
Yeah, very nice and comfortable. They sit and line up nice and straight.
Whoever restored this thing, as far as the headliner and the back seat, door panels, everything's immaculate.
When we get around to the driver's side, we'll talk the gauges and stuff look original, so you can see the little bit of age on the bezels of the gauges. But I like
what they did too in the door jamb, Dalton. The door jamb paint is as nice as the paint on the outside.
Yeah, just nice, shiny,
They did a
smooth.
good job.
Yeah, they really did. Vinyl top is excellent, really nice and soft. No issues on the passenger side here. The vinyl top, no bubbling or separation.
Your quarter window rubber looks excellent. Windows go up and down nice.
The
back package tray is awesome.
We ordered a brand new side reflector. It came off in transportation, so we have a new side reflector ordered. Cougar parts always seem to take a while to get in, but that will be put on before it goes to its new home. Here's
your correct bias ply spare. Okay, hubcaps here.
Go ahead. Very nice.
We can't put that on, but it's here for it because it's got the tie down on that. Look at this. So when they did it, I mean, it wasn't a shabby job. I mean, they did a beautiful job in here. Put all this back in, super solid in the factory trunk. Resprayed that all. Bottom of the trunk lid's all resprayed very nicely with the correct stickers.
Back bumper is in good shape too. Got a nice shine. I guess I was gonna say it was replaced, but if you look kind of in this corner, you can tell it's got a little age, and that's original too. But great shine. Tail lights look great.
We thought about doing some aftermarket wheels and tires on this thing, but with those miles and the receipts and all the documentation, I didn't tell you, Dalton, but this still has its original sales invoice.
Really?
To that guy. Yeah,
That's
like
cool.
a window sticker. It's got the original warranty card. It's got owner's manual, everything.
That's really neat. And these cars are something, we don't get many Cougars. You know, we love the cars, but they're hard to find for whatever reason.
You know, they sold tons more Mustangs than Mercury ever sold Cougars.
They did.
You know, they did a nice job here too. Do you see they didn't fill in this lead line here? That's all nice and correct. And the paint just feels really nice. Nice and smooth.
Just some,
I didn't really see any bubbles, blisters anywhere. Did you? Just a little chip down there in the driver's door
this
is
is
about
kind of
all.
first we have seen chip here on the edge of the door, right here. I know he left some of that little tire shine or something on it. Needs wiped off better, but front fender's nice. It's a beautiful
The
car.
doors line up just fantastic, and look how they shut. Don't have to slam them or anything.
It's just classy. I always thought these Cougars are just classy cars.
Original tag, original corner of the door. Could have did a better job wiping that down.
Yeah, maybe we'll just show them there's some room for improvement on the detail, but
Nice.
door panels are excellent.
This light doesn't work on this door.
Okay.
The other one does. I don't know if it's a wire or a bulb or something.
Again, seats are in great shape. We talked about that. Steering wheel and gauges look to be original. Steering wheel's really in good shape. You have a small hairline crack right here.
Yeah, and that's hard. That kind of says the original miles.
Yep.
This obviously has had a lot of fading. You know what I mean? So that doesn't look as nice, the bezels, but the glass is nice and clean.
But I'm glad they left them, because when they restored the car, at least stuff like this and the steering wheel are still something to kind of back up that mileage.
Even here, I mean, so many times this stuff is all pulled away, you know, all that padding and the glue. That is excellent. You're not going to get that to restore that any nicer than that.
Yeah, it's nice. Nice car. I'm excited to see how it goes down the road again.
I haven't drove it. This is my first time. Windows go up and down, great, both sides. There's one thing I know from the factory that doesn't work, and that's that temp gauge. We're probably going to have to add an aftermarket temp gauge on this thing. We'll check into that a little more, but we will put a temp gauge in it of some kind. Look how easy that starts. Go ahead. You can get it. Jeez.
That's cool. Yeah, that's got.
We should put that on there. It's kind of cool.
I had it on there. It was on there when I got it, but then I took it off because it was kind of annoying to drive. No, it just is distracting.
I like that. Distracting. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Cool. Here's your radio. They did change that out, which I like it, but look, they went with the Mercury radio.
Jay at Rock 108.
Sounds good.
Hi, I'm Ramsey. I've sold a bit of everything.
It does sound good. 57,560 miles in the odometer. Here's your wipers. They work good. Horn works. Heater fan works on high, medium, low. No squeaking, nothing like that. Gas gauge works. We filled it up when we got it. It's just between full and 3/4. Like I said, the only thing I know doesn't work is a temp gauge. Look how nice the hood lines up. Even in here, it looks like glass out across, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's cool. Cool car.
It's such a quiet running car. You know, you said the motor is super quiet. It's got single exhaust. Nice running. Little Cougar. Hey, the speedometer works great. Here's your brakes. Brake pedal felt awesome. It's way up top on
Car
it.
coming on the right.
Sounds good. It's got a great idle at the stop sign. Let's go ahead and start out and drive and go, and then we'll go through the gears kind of on the way back a little bit. What a sweetheart.
It is, yeah.
Headliner is super tight. Your kick down, yep. Window goes up super smooth. And look how it seals up, Dalton.
Yeah, pretty good.
It really does.
Your brakes again at a higher speed. I believe Riley did some work on those when you check in.
Yeah, he did. We did a lot of work on the
Power
brakes.
steering works well.
Yep.
Heater fan? I don't think
Yeah,
tested
we
that.
did
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Yeah, I said it worked on all
It
speeds.
does work. Yeah.
Wipers, everything works.
Excellent.
Except just the temp gauge. Oh, my window down.
That's kind of warm today, isn't it?
It is.
I'm ready for
Oh, I'm gonna
ready
go
for
through
fall.
the gears once. You know what? We're right around the corner. It's gonna get down in the 40s next week.
Believe it or not, I'm kind of excited for that.
Are you? Good. Transmission shifts great into second. Look at this. I mean, this is the kind of car it is.
Shift there to third. Again,
Yep.
there's your kick down. Real good car. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.